Afternoon, welcome. Abraham, hello, good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Objective Past Question, question number 55. The instruction to this question says choose the word or group of words that best complete each of the following sentence. And to question number 55, the sentence here says you will need to commit the dash you will need to commit the formula dash memory. You will need to commit the formula dash memory. You will need to commit the formula dash memory. That is the sentence. Then we have option A here. Option A say 2. Option B say in. Option C say 4. Option D say by. Option A to D, they are prepositional words, so please take note of that. They are all prepositional words. And of course, the best prepositional word that can go with this expression or sentence is that you will need to commit the formula to memory. You will need to commit the formula in memory. You will need to commit the formula for memory. You will need to commit the formula by memory. So mere reading this expression, you find out that option B and C cannot function. So, and when we talk of by, the prepositional function of by is an indication of position, indication of position of an object. And what we are talking about here is not an object. So our focus or the concept here is not an object. So by cannot function in this expression. So it is best said that you will need to commit the formula to memory. You need to commit the formula to memory. That is, you need to memorize the formula, or the so-called what we call cramming. So you need to cram the formula, but it is best say that you will need to commit the formula to memory. So that is, you have to study it and study it and study it and study it until mastery takes place. So option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.